looks like we got a problem here. You know what that code means? I don't either, but I know how to fix it. So the problem we're having, just for some clarification, it starts, it runs for a little bit, and then it dies and throws that code. Get it to pop back up so I can read the code to you. And then there's your code. So the code is P0253-00. And this is a JCB 509-42. So what you're gonna need is a pump assembly like this. Right here. Come on over here. Pop this open. And here's your pump. So, it's got a plug. Another plug. And it mounts on right here. This nut. Or this bolt. My bad. This bolt and this bolt. Unplug two plugs. Unhook this hose, this hose, this hose. Swap out the part. Put in the new one. And you're good to go. Let's get it. Heads up, these ones can be kind of stubborn. You kind of just pinch it down and try to oval out the inside right there and pop it off the little flange. These ones should be fairly simple, just kind of pop them off. Yeah, I'm sure there's a better pair of pliers to do that with, but once you get them off, you're good. Careful, it's gonna leak. So they're all unhooked now. You're gonna want to catch the fluid down the bottom of the bucket. Then you got your plugs unplugged. You got the hex bolt here and a hex bolt here. Let's get you some of these. A little bit of that. Don't need that. The install is easy. Tighten down your two bolts. Plug in your two wires. And then you got your hoses. Hoses should be simple. This hose goes on the end. This end. It should just clip right on. Once you push hard enough, it clips right on. Then you got your other hose right here that's pinched up. You gotta unpinch it. Once you get your hoses unpinched, you just clip that one on. Clip that one on, and you're good to go. Installed. Let's fire it up, give her a test run, make sure she doesn't die. As long as the code don't come back and she don't die, you wipe everything down and you send it. Almost forgot to let you know, should probably prime it too. Turn the key on, wait a little bit, turn the key off, wait a little bit. You know the get down. She's a runner. Let's go. We'll let her run. Make sure she doesn't die out. Pitter patter. Oh, don't forget to say hi to the pupper. Hi, pupper. And now we move the broken unit out of the middle of the driveway because it's blocking everything. And that, my friends, concludes how to fix the JCB Reach Forklift 509-42. Of course, there are other steps you need to take, like, you know, checking the fuel pump relay, the fuel pump fuse, stuff like that. But that's worst case scenario right there, is that's how it happened. Make sure you chalk your wheels when you park your equipment. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, for all the people watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.